What's your average cost? 4. In that variable cost is 3 means 1 rupee is a fixed cost. 41 to 645. Which is acceptable? Policy C is acceptable. So what's your sale? 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 3 lakh 60, 4 lakh. Selling price point 555. Here 4 is the cost, variable 3, 1 rupee is the fixed cost. Hello my dear student, I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Financial Management to 5th semester BBA. The session goes in favor of Account Receivable Management. In the last session, I explained what is account receivable is, nothing but debtor turnover. And also we already solved one problem about the account receivable. Now this session we are going to solve about the two problems of same type with a different number of days. We'll go with the problem now. A company has annual sales of rupees 1 lakh and an average collection period is 45 days. It is considered a more liberal credit policy. Policy A increased by 15 days. What's the word? 45 plus 15 is 60 days. 45 plus 30 is 75 days. 45 plus 40 is 85 days. Now, increase sale 50,000. So, 1 lakh 50, 1 lakh 80, 1 lakh means 2 lakh. Bad debt is 2%, 3%, 4%. Selling price per unit is rupees 5. Average cost is 4. And the variable cost is 3 means 1 rupee is the fixed cost. What's your average cost? 4. In that variable cost is 3 means 1 rupee is a fixed cost. Another 1 rupee is a profit. Existing bad debt is 1% on sale. Required rate of return on investment is 20%. Which credit policy should be undertaken? Ignore tax and 360 days in a year. Same type of problem of the last time. Carefully you have to do. So sales revenue. Existing days 45, so increase by 15 days. So here it is 45 days. Increase by 15 means 60 days. Then increase by 30 means 45 plus 30 is 75 days. Then increase by 40 days. 45 plus 40 is 85 days. So the credit period has been increased. Existing 45, 60, 75, 85 days is there. First problem, 1 lakh, 45 days, increased by 15 days. So 45, 60, 75, 80 is there. So here it is increased by 50,000, 1 lakh. So present sale is 1 lakh. Increased by 50,000. 1,50,000 sales, then 1,80,000, increase by 80,000 to the base of 1 lakh, last one increase by another 1 lakh, it becomes 2 lakh. This is your sales. Present sale is 1 lakh, increased by 50,000, increased by 80,000, increased by 1 lakh, 2 lakh. Selling price per unit, here, your selling price per unit is 5, per unit is 5. This is 5 rupees. Divide. So, number of units, 1 lakh divided by means 20, here no, number of units, 20,000 units, divided by 5, this is 30,000 units, 36,000 units, divided by 5, that's all, 40,000 units. So, this is the number of units. Number of units is 20, 30, 36, 40,000 is there. Then, what's your variable cost? So, your average cost is 4, variable cost is 3. Variable cost, rupees 3. Into number of units. So, 20,000 into 3, 60,000. 30,000 into 3, 90,000. 36 into 3, 1,08,000. 40,000 into 3, 1,20,000. So, variable cost. Then regarding the fixed cost, this is 20 into 3, 30 into 3, 36 into 3, 40 into 3. Then variable cost is, average cost is 4, variable cost is 3, means 1 rupee is the fixed cost. Fixed cost rupee 1. Fixed cost remain constant. 20 into 1, 20,000, 20,000, 20,000 remain constant, 20,000. So 3 plus 1 is 4 rupees. 3 is the variable cost, 1 is the fixed cost, total cost is 4 rupees, 5 rupees selling price, 1 rupees the profit. So your total cost, so here your variable cost 60, fixed cost is 60, your total cost is 80,000. Here 1,10,000, 1,28,000, 1,40,000. What is this? Total cost, TC. This is your B. This is your A. Now, profit, A minus B, 1 lakh minus 80,000 is 20,000. 1 lakh 50 minus 1 lakh 10 is 40,000. 1 lakh 80 minus 28, 52,000. 1 lakh 40 means 60,000. So this is your profit. Now regarding the bad debt. Bad debt, how much percentage? See that? At present, 1% on sale. So this is 1% on 1 lakh. Regarding the 1 lakh into 1 divided by 100, 1,000. Regarding the policy A, what's the percentage? 2%. Policy A, you got 1,50,000. Policy A, 1,50,000 into, what's the percentage? 2. Bad debt, I'm saying. So 1,50,000 into 2, 3,000. 1,50,000 into 2 divided by 100, 3,000. B, what's your sales of B? 1,80,000 into 3%. 5,400. C, 2 lakh. What's the percentage? 4%. 8,000. This is your bad debt. Come back, net profit. Your bad debt is 1,000. Second is 3,000. 2% of 1 lakh. Next 3%, 5,400. We're going to see 8,000. Deduct net profit. Your profit is 20 minus 1 is 19,000. So 43 is 37,000. 52,000 minus 5,400. 52,000 minus 5,400. 46,600. 60,000, 8,000, 52,000. This is your profit. Now average cost, total cost divided by this. Total cost is 60 plus 2 is existing debt or turnover existing what's your total cost? 80,000 divided by 360 days into number of days, present number of days, credit period, average variable cost, collection period is 45 days. Then A, so what's your total cost? This is 60, 1,10,000 divided by 360 days. A, then this goes in favor of A is 45, 60. A is 60 days. B. So here, so 81 lakh 28,000 divided by 360. So existing is 45, 15. So 45. Then 30 is 75 days. C. What's your total cost? 81 lakh, 1,40,000 divided by 360 into number of days 85. Work out 1,10,000 110 followed by 30 divided by 360 into 60. 1,10,000. 18,333. This one first. 80,000 divided by 360 into 45. 99,000. 9,999 point means 10,000 we can say. 10,000 regarding this B. 1,28,000 divided by 360 into 75. 26,667. Last one. 1,40,000 divided by 360 into 85. 3 lakh 330 55 33,055 is written. So return expected on this existing 20 by 100, 20 by 100, 20 by 100 into 20 by 100. This you got. How much you got? So 1/5 means 2,000. 10,000 is there now. 2,000. 1/5 no. 18,333. 20 by 100 divided by 5. 3,667. For this 26,667 divided by 5. 5,333. Then 33,055 divided by 5. 6,611. So this is expected. Okay. We'll go with the first one. Existing So here now 10,000, 10,000, then 18,333, then 26,667, then 33,055. Required return on investment, this is 2,000 on this. Second is 3667. Next one 5333. Last one 6611. So what's the procedure? Sales, selling price is 5, 20, 30, 36, 40,000 units. Your variable cost is 3, 20 into 3, 60, 30 into 3 is 90, 36, 1,80,000. Then 1 rupee is a fixed cost, 20 into 1, 20. Fixed cost remain constant, 60 plus 8, this is 80, this is 120. So here now, total cost is 80, 110, 128, here now 140, here now profit, here is 20 plus 60 plus 80, 110, 1,20,000, 1,44,000, 1,20,000 is 20, 1,50,000, 1,40,000, 1,80,000, 1,52,000, 2,00,000, 1,00,000 is profit. This is your profit. Bad debt 1,000, 3,005. You take no 19,000, 37,000, 46,000, 52,000. Then on the total cost, what's your total cost? 80,000 divided by 360. What we have worked out? See that? A 80,000, 360 into 45, 10,000. A existing A 1,10,000 divided by 360 into 60 days. B 1,20,000, 360 into 75, 80. It will come on that 20% return. So 2,000, 3,000, 3,000. This is required return. What's your profit now? Your profit is here 20 minus 1, 19,000 is the profit. 2 surplus. Here 19, your net profit is 19 plus 20, 17,000. Here 37,000. 37,000 minus 3667, 33,333, then 46,600, 46,600 minus 5,333, 41,267, there is a surplus. Then 52,000 minus 6,611, 45,389. That is your surplus. You require only 2,360. You require here. How much more? 17,333, 333, 41,245. Which is acceptable? Policy C is acceptable. Same type of the last problem. Last problem, what we did same time? Sales, selling price, variable sales minus variable cost is contribution, minus fixed cost is profit, minus bad debt is net profit. Then total cost divided by number of days into credit period. Then return is 20%. Excess is how much? 17,333, 45,381. So same time, we'll move on to one more problem. Next. A company has annual sale is 2 lakh and average collection period is 45 days. It is considered more liberal policy. Credit ABC increased by 30 days, increased by 60 days. So 1,62,335. The selling price is same 5, average cost is 4 and variable cost is 3. But its required rate of return is same. Same type of there, but he has increased the number of days. Now we'll move. Your annual sales is 2 lakh. Annual sales is 2 lakh. Increase by 1. Policy A increase by 1 lakh, 3 lakh. Policy B increase by 1,60,000, 3 lakh 60,000. Policy C increase by 2 lakh. 3. What is your existing 2 lakh? Increase by 2 lakh. So it becomes 4 lakh. Selling price per unit rupees 5. So what's your sale? 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 3 lakh 60, 4 lakh. Selling price per 5, 5, 5. No, number of units. 2 lakh divided by 5 is 40,000 units. This is 60,000 units. 72,000 units. 80,000 units. These are all the units. So variable cost, he says average cost is 4, variable cost is rupees 3. So 40,000 into 3, here 1,20,000. 60,000 into 3, 1,80,000. 72,000 into 3, 2,16,000. Multiply this all. Variable cost 40 into 3, 60 into 3, 72 into 3, 80 into 3, 2,40,000. What is this? Variable cost. Here 4 is the cost, variable 3, 1 rupee is the fixed cost. Rupee 1. So 40,000 into 1 is 40,000. Fixed cost remain constant. Add variable cost plus fixed cost, 1,20,000 plus 40 is 1,60,000. This is your total cost. 2,20,000. Total cost 2,56,000. Total cost 2,80,000. Return expected now. So bad debt existing on 2 lakh, what's your percentage? Considered to be bad debt 1%. On the 2 lakh, you got 1%. 2 lakh into 1 divided by 100, 2,000. Then on 3 lakh, what's the percentage? A 2%. 3 lakh into 2 divided by 100, 6,000. Then regarding the B, 3%, 3,60,000 on sales into 3 divided by 100, 10,800. Then on 4 lakh, into 4 divided by 100, 16,000. This is your bad debt. Deduct. So profit is 1,60,000 here now. 2 lakh. Your profit, your bad debt. Your 2 lakh here now. 1,20,000 variable for 40, 1,60,000. Your profit is first one 40,000 minus 2,000 is here 2 lakh. 1,20,000, 1,60,000 has gone. 2 lakh minus 1,60,000. Here if you want minus 2 lakh, 1,60,000 is 40,000. 2,000 gone means 38,000. Profit minus bad debt. So 3 lakh minus 2,20,000, 80,000. 6,000 gone means 74,000. Then 3,60,000 minus 2,56,000, 3 lakh. minus 2,56,000, 44,000 minus 10,800, 33,200. How much will come? 3 lakh, 1 lakh 80 plus 40 is 2 lakh 20, 3 lakh 80,000, 60 is 80,000, 60,000, 74,000, 3 lakh 60,000 minus 3 lakh 60,000 minus 10,800. It is 93,200. You can check once again. 4 lakh minus 2 lakh 80,000, that is 1 lakh 20 minus 16,000, 1 lakh 4,000. So what I did now? 2 lakh minus 1 lakh 60 is 40, 20 is 38, 3 lakh 2 lakh 20 is 80, 6,000 is 74, 3 lakh 60 minus 2 lakh 50 minus. Here I deduct this, no? Both I have deducted from this. Then 3 lakh 60 minus 2 lakh 50 minus bad debt, 4 lakh minus 2 lakh 80, 16. So this is your net profit, 38. Then your what we calculated, no, return we want to calculate on the total cost, debtor turnover, debtor turnover. Here total cost existing, what's your total cost? 1,60,000 divided by 360. Present is 45 days existing. A. What's your total cost? Here your variable cost 90, 20 is 1. Here 1 lakh 60. Here total cost is 2 lakh 20 divided by 360 into number of days 45, 2 lakh, no, increase by 30 days. This is 45, 30 means 75 days, 60 days, 45, 60 means 105 days. Last one 80 days, 45, 80, 125 days. 45, 75, 125 days. Existing 2 lakh 20, 360. 30 days means 75 days. B. This is 75 days. B is, what's your total cost? 2,56,000 divided by 360. 105 days. C. This 1,60,000, 2,20,000. It is 2,56,000 divided by 360. 125 days. Calculate existing 1,60,000 divided by 360 into 45. So 20,000. This 20,000. Then 2,20,000 divided by 360 into 75. 45,833. 2,56,000 divided by 360 into 105. 74,667. 2,80,000 into 125 divided by 360, 97,222. This is the required return. We'll go with the required return 20,000. Second one 45,833, 74,667, 97,222. On that required return means this is 20%, this is 4,000. So 45,833, 91,000, 9167, 74,667, 14,933, 97,222 divided by 5, 19,444 required return. So your profit is 38,4, your surplus is, so 38,4 means 34,000. So your profit is 74,000, 74,000 minus 9167, 64,833. Then your profit is 74,667 minus 14,933, 59, 734, then 97,222 minus 19,444, 77,778. Here 20 minus 4, 45 minus 3. Here is more. Which is more? So C is acceptable. Same type, no? So instead of 1 lakh, we have got 2 lakh, that's all. So same type there, sales minus number of units, variable cost, fixed cost, required return 20%. So we solve the problem here. So first is 1 lakh, 2 lakh. We have got 30 days increase and you calculate the debtor turnover. Existing is 2 lakh, increase by 1 lakh, increase 1 lakh 60,000. Then number of days 77,000. So 45 days you have calculated all these now, 97,220. So we have put 20,000, 45,833, 34. So on that 20%, 45,833, 45,833 divided by 5, 9166, correct. So all the things goes to same, one and the same here. Instead of 1 lakh, we have got the 2 lakh. Okay. So we have solved about the two problems of the same type, but you must be careful here. First is sales minus selling price minus variable cost minus fixed. Variable cost or fixed cost is total cost. Sales minus total cost is profit. That what I did know, I taken totally. So 1,40,000, 1,62,000, 2 lakh, 1,60,000, 40 minus 2. At a stage I deduct 2 lakh, 1,62,000, 32,000, 3 lakh, 2 lakh 80, 60 here, no. So we have got 3 lakh, 2 lakh, 86,000 is 74,000. I deduct directly. I deduct both, no. I deducted the both here. So the last answer is like this. Okay. Hope you have followed. I have solved this last session. We have solved one problem. This session we have solved two problems, same type. In the next session, we'll have another two same type problem. So that same type of problem will come in exam. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session. with another two problem. Till then, goodbye.